Hey, it's Allison. Well, it's Forever here, and I'm also going to be selling two of my things. So first is this one. It's a snow maker thing. Like you mix it in with a cup of water, stir it, and it becomes like slushy snow. So this one is $2. I'm also selling a chocolate cupcake lip gloss keychain. This one will be $2.50. So I only have one of each. So just comment below if you want to buy one of these and cash only. Okay, so yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.